Hey, welcome back to my channel again, Beauties. Okay, so this time I'm coming in showing you guys two different ways of how you can do your eyebrows. This is very beginner friendly. So the two stages is one is using only a pencil. So if you're just looking for something quick to get out the door and you just want to fill in your sparse brows, and you can just grab the eyebrow pencil and just fill your brows in. Then the next one is going to be one with a pomade or slash gel of your choice. So here I'm using my Anastasia brow wiz in dark brown, and I'm just filling in my brows, following my um, the natural way of my brows, pretty much. Um, and actually, I'm a got honesty. I wish that I had went ahead and got my brows done before I did this video, because my brows, they did need to be groomed up, and I didn't have a razor or anything near. So yeah, I just worked what I had. But also the key to getting your brows right when you're filling them in is make sure that they're groomed closest to perfection. Like either have a professional do them, highly recommended, because even though I know how to do brows for myself and I've done it on other people, sometimes I get either razor or tweezer happy on myself, and sometimes I end up messing myself up. So now I try to just stay away from my brows, and I'll just let my usual lady um, manage my brows, because she's been getting them right for me. So yeah, the key to getting your brows filled in to perfection is having them groomed properly. So what you see me do is just fill it in with a pencil and just spoolie it out, just brush that product. And right here, this is just kind of like a light hand. You can leave it like this. Pretty much just go in with some concealer. Just look, it's pretty much almost done. If you just want something just more on a natural side with the look a little bit lighter. And then I'm going to show you um, a bolder look as well by filling it in with a darker pencil. And I'll mention it of where that's going to happen at. So right here could be just a natural look. So that's what I'm about to apply is my L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in pure beige. So if you want to just leave it like this and have a natural look, then you can. And then after I apply the concealer, I'm going to go in and make it more bolder. And I hope this tutorial is so useful and it benefits somebody, because I know that the eyebrows is one that is very tricky first starting out, whether if you do makeup or you don't do makeup. And if you have no brows or if you have very few brows, the eyebrows, they could just be very funny acting. Yeah, they can be two-faced, to put it that way. They can be your friends when they want to be. Because even with me doing my eyebrows for 7 years, or actually longer than that, I still struggle today. And again, it goes back to if they're not groomed properly. If you have any questions, or if there's like a different product or anything that you would like me to try as far as doing a brows, let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thank you. And here is how I'm showing you how to get that bolder brow, just by going in with a darker pencil, or you can use the same pencil. This is just a little Korean pencil from the lady that does my brows, and I'll just always love this pencil. So this one is not one on the market. It's one that she just keeps, and she gives them out. She used to actually sell them. Now she just handed it to me anytime I asked for one, and I just love this little black pencil. Um, but yeah, you can either use a darker pencil or you can just keep using the same, like the brow waves, that dark brown. Just keep going over until it gets a little bit darker or to your liking, pretty much. But I just took a shortcut way and just went in with that black pencil to kind of make it more bolder. And then I'm cleaning it up again because I kind of messed up what I had did. And I wanted to clean it up quick. So then I use a bigger concealer brush using my MAC 242 synthetic brush. I love this concealer brush. I need to get another one because I only had one and then I got to constantly clean it. And I use it for everything, concealer wise. Now, some people like the boxy look in the front. It is not my personal preference. However, some days it just end up there, and then I try to buff it out, because to try to make it more smoother, to have my brows look like they're just fading from lighter to darker, and that's what I end up playing with on the video, and I think I end up snipping it out because it would just end up taking up too much time. I'm not a fan of the box car on the front edge of the brows. It's just not me. I'd rather have it more of a faded look than anything. And I actually end up wiping my tail off too much, and then I go in and I have to fix that to fill that back in and make it a bit more thicker. And I did that off camera. And if you're looking for a good brow gel, the Anastasia one is very good. It locks those brows in place. And let me give you a heads up. When it comes to doing brows, three things that goes in handy is that Anastasia brow line, that 7B brush, the one that you keep using, see me using for the spoolie, the Anastasia brow gel, and the Anastasia Dipbrow. So if you're going to use the Dipbrow, go ahead and invest that other $18 to get that brush, because the Dipbrow is going to last you a few months, and that brush is also going to last you. I will tell you that is the best $36 investment ever. And then I think the gel is like $18. I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't put myself to get it yet because actually I got the gift size one. That was one of the simple ones with something you bought a certain amount and then you got a little gift thing, and I'm still using that. But I don't remember what was the price of the brow gel. I don't know if it was 12, 16, $18. But yeah, I would get it because it locks my brows in place. But make sure that when you lock them in place using that brow gel, that you're not going to tamper with them once it dries, because it will dry them in place. It will lock and load them. All right, and then for this other brow, I'm going to just repeat the same steps. And after I complete this brow, I'm going to move into how to do the one with the gel and the pomade, a little bit bolder. And I do apologize because I do go in and out of my camera frame. I'm still working on getting this thing right. If y'all see from my older videos and my newer videos, I have grown a lot. I'm even doing voiceovers. I got to get my voice right. I have a microphone. I can't get it balanced right. I'm growing. So bear with me. And thank you for those of you who have been there with me from the beginning watching my growth. But yeah, I'm still trying to get this thing handled. So yeah, I apologize for going in and out of frame. Alright, here we go. Option 2. And this is how we're going to use the gel slash pomade. And I'm using Anastasia Dipbrow in dark brown with my 7B Schoolie. These are the two that I tell you that goes hand in hand. This brush applicator is just so thin. It's just super thin and very precise. And I'm going to apologize for the view. I don't know why I was looking down on this one versus head on like my when I did the pencil one. So I apologize for the view of this one as well. Bear with me, guys. But I basically just outlined my brow and fill it in. I don't have no specific way. Like some people will just outline their brows first and then they will fill it in. Me, I kind of do both of them at the same time. I outline and fill in at the same time. If you kind of catch it from the video. I don't have a specific way of doing it. I know how I want my eyebrows to look, and I just try to lay that on my face. Get it out of my head and put it on my face, basically. And the Dipbrows, the pomade slash gel, it can be just a little tricky because sometimes it can dry a little fast. And when you're doing the line that I have that's in the front of my brows at the bottom, be careful whenever you're like doing your outlines because you don't want like a harsh line because the product has dried down. That's the tricky part about using the gel or the pomade or anything like that, like what I'm doing right there, doing that outline. Sometimes the product can dry down, it can get stuck, and then you got to conceal it out, buff it out, try to fully your face off, brush it out, things like that. So you do have to work a little bit faster when using a product to brush it into your hairs, so that way it won't just dry into your skin, if that makes sense.
Pick a bottle up and come over to the crib. I'll have the game on and 2 cups ready to be filled. I'll have my jersey on and of course it's not your team. Throwing in my comments about how your team is weak. Picture this, me and you together forever. You don't ever have to worry about a thing. With a woman like me, everything else should be easy. I got your back, as a matter of fact. I ride smoother than an all-black Cadillac. Boy, what you gonna do? I can't keep waiting for you. Don't you know I am that wifey material? You can get it when you want. Trust me, I'm a doctor, looking so good I might make your heart stop. Oh, coming home to something good ain't never hurt nobody. So boy, relax and let me massage your body. Oh, I'm gonna brush your hair, I'm gonna take care of you. Boy, what you gonna do? I can't keep waiting for you. Don't you know I am that
And this is pretty much the end of the look. Just gelled on those brows, and I did the other brow off camera. And then we come back and both of them is done. So again, I don't have just one specific way of doing my brows, just whatever I'm feeling. They can either be bolder or just a little bit lighter, and just whatever you're comfortable with. So again, I hope that you all liked this video. I hope that it was helpful to someone and that it was very beginner friendly. If you like this video, thumbs up. And again, don't forget to subscribe and stay posted because I will be uploading another video later on this week as well.